Hello everybody and welcome back for more Kirby. And the game is next to me, so I gotta quickly check it out. It's Kirby in the Forgotten Land. But I knew that, I definitely didn't have to grab the game case from next to me. Anyway, we're here again. Last time we cleared out the freezy, lakey sea thingy. And this time we're gonna go to the Battle of Blizzard Bridge. We're gonna save the Waddle Dees, clear the stage, and a bunch of hidden objectives that are going to make me run through the stage 4 different times, as is tradition. Yep. Can I go back? I cannot go back. Okay. Look at this. I don't remember if I figured this out on episode or as I was messing around between episodes, but if you just hold the button in, you kind of fly a little. Like that. It's Wild Edge. No thank you, sir. It's not very nice of you. Don't do it. Okay, I'm just gonna sneak around behind you then. Burn him on the butt, and he's done for. Thank you so much for playing my game. I bet I need to be sword. Thank you for the money. Now, I don't know if you think that I just didn't notice this or what, but there's definitely a doorway right here. Okay, I see the shtick here. I gotta time it. Like so. And then I can mouthful. Spike downward onto these guys. And then hada bing bada boom. I hear the unga unga. Hold on, I gotta get rid of this sign. Oh, there we go. Remove 4 wanted posters. Okay. Objective number 1 found. I didn't realize I wear the little Meta Knight hat on the top of my cone. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Okay, where are we now? We're back here. Okay, do I need to be a hammer man now? I'll take it. I just hate hammer man. It's not a good ability. I mean, it's probably fine or whatever, but not for me. Out of the way. Gotcha. Okay, 2 flawlesses. That's what I'm here for. And now we've obtained Hurricane. And some eggs. What's behind door number 2? I need Hurricane for it? I sure do. Shwoop. And hit the button. And now I can be vending machine man. Oh, but I gotta schmove it. Hup. Hup. Go, 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 go. Oh no! I mean, I kinda did it. Does kinda doing it count for anything? I mean, it might. I got it. You know, take the good with the bad. Whoop. Oh, it even made little platforms for me. Wait, I need to check to make sure there's not a wanted poster in here, though. Would have been silly if I didn't look for a wanted poster. Is this a wanted poster? What's this up here? Knew this game was gonna do some funky shit like that. I knew it. I was like, wait a minute. Wait a goddamn minute. Alright, get me out of here. What ability are you? Ice kinda suck. I love ice, but I still don't even have an upgrade for ice. So ice can go to hell. Thank you. So I can pick these up and like throw them at him, right? Something like that. Okay, I got hit. That's very unfortunate. Not at all what I wanted to have happen. Man, I thought hammer sucked. This ability really sucked. And I bet because I got hit, I've failed a challenge. I was probably supposed to flawless all of these stupid mini-bosses. Well, I mean, I'll just come back with Dragon again. as is tradition. Hello, sir. think I don't see that there? Boom. Smack that. And look at that. Secret passage. That's all I needed. And there's fire right there for me, so the next boss will be cake. And I see you too, Howie. Okay, speedrun? Speedrun. And away we go. Whoop. Smack at this. And then go. And then smack at this. And then, Kirby. I love being Kirby. Get in there. It's Kirby time. Dash him. Thrash him and dash him, baby. Easiest win of my life. And we even found the little sign. I don't think they'd put 2 in 1, would they? They wouldn't do that to me. I hope... Wait a fucking goddamn second. Let me... I saw like a little platform there. That might have just been something for the car to jump to, though. Let me go back in. Oh, you only get 1 shot. You only get 1 shot, 1 opportunity? Okay, I getcha. I mean, look, you're great, Spike, but you're no dragon. Hello there. You think I won't jump into the cold depths of hell to save my boy Waddle Dee? Are you crazy? Give me that final boss. Who is it? Iceman and... Iceman. Don't you shake your butt at me, young man. Well, the double fight is definitely much harder than the single fight, but, I mean, I don't know if I'd say I'm worried about it necessarily. Like, I could just take one of those damage potions, or whatever else I wanted. Like, I mean, I'm just kind of taking the hits now because, you know, why not? Also, don't think I don't notice that secret passageway, because I definitely notice it. Oh. Ooh, ice? Frosty ice, there we go. Ice finally not terrible. No longer in shambles. Let me guess, final poster? No, final doorway, which leads to final poster. Let me guess, I need to freeze you and then use you as like a shield? Oh, I use you to hit the button. That also works. Oh, this looks like it might be tricky. Go. Jump. Jump again. Never mind. Easy as pie. And there's our final stupid little poster. Boop. Boop. Right? That's 4 out of 4. 4 Waddle Dees. 5 Waddle Dees? 5 Waddle Dees. But there's still bonus objectives that we have not seen. Which is very unfortunate. In fact, we only saw 1 of them? I believe. What's this? Capsule. Cool. Love me a capsule. Anything else around there? Doesn't really look like it. Okay, let's see what they are. Yay! Beat Twin, Frosty without getting hit. Yep. Okay. Back at it again at the Krispy Kreme. So we gotta do it slow and delicate and easy. And then even after that, we've still got 1 more mission to do there, which is a pain in the butt. Good thing is the level's relatively quick. Ding! No, we're not going there. You only need 23 Waddle Dees, man. Can you even have less than 23 Waddle Dees? An unexpected beast king. That's DDD. Don't you doubt me. I know that's DDD. Oh, and there's a bonus stage. And a second bonus stage. Okay. Take me back. I need 1 fire and 1 frosty. New stall. Okay, what are you? 180 Waddle Dees you've saved work together to rebuild the games booth. Tilt and roll, Kirby. That's gonna be fucking horrible. I'm bad at motion control games. Yeah, I know, I can evolve. That's what I'm here for. Let me in. Bing! Whoa, is that a frosty ice blueprint? I want to make that. Gimme, gimme. Okay, upgrade me, coward. Unless you're scared. Thanks for waiting, frosty ice. I hope it looks cool at least. I mean, it makes it a bit better. Evolve it. Goodbye. Frosty. Oh, okay, I mean, it's not cool, but it's kind of cute. I'm Mega the Snowman. You gonna tell me what's different? He has ability while you freeze. Your freezing attacks will even make larger enemies like bosses stop moving for a while. That it? Okay. Well. Oh, you know what I could do? I mean, it's worth a shot, right? It's worth a shot. There are present codes hiding all over town. I wonder where they could be hiding. Look, I'll be back for you. Don't you worry, bud. But I want a damage tonic. Yes, please. Thank you, sir. Now let me out of here. There's no way to just quit. Okay. I'm gonna just walk out there all on me lonesome. Nice and slowly. Owie. Sorry. Okay, back out. Back to that stage. Wait, how am I going to get to the Frosties with the time? I maybe didn't think this through too well. I maybe didn't think this through at all. Skip. I mean, maybe I could just fucking absolutely book it through. No, I don't think there's enough enemies. Screw it. I know there's a fire back there. I'll just use the fire. Okay, he's done for. Boom. Okay, did not help at all, unfortunately. I guess that means I'm stuck with hammer. Fully charge me. Boom. How did that do so little that time? I seem to remember it doing, yeah, like that. Quite a lot. There we go. You're out of there. And I'd rather use hammer than freaking whirlwind. I mean, I could use bomb, I guess. But, eh. Come by. Okay, give me this. Bomb. 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 No, not what I wanted. Smack him. Nailed him. Get out of here, bonkers. You jerk. Okay. Give me the fire. Oh, I got hit. Damn it, I was so close to getting a flawless run. Oh wait, they do stack. I thought they didn't stack for some reason. Yeah, I don't care about your cutscene. Go home. Are you joking? He charged me right away, man. Like, right fucking away. Okay, I'll be back when I'm back to Frosty. Okay, we're back at the Frosty. I don't like how it teleports me to the middle either, because it means I can't scheme and plan at all. Just dodge. Thank you. No, wait! No! No, just keep rolling, please. Friends. Roll. Yeah, thank you. Roll. Just keep rolling. Just live. Just keep going. Just keep going. No! Okay, almost died. Didn't. Almost did, but didn't. Fine. He's on fire. Okay, one down. No, I didn't want to run into him. Worst possible scenario. Okay. Twin Frosty without getting hit. That's all I needed. Okay. Last objective. I mean, I guess I'll freaking take it against, what, 50 stupid coins? Hopefully the last one was a speed run, because I beat that pretty quick. Yay. Take a detour and find a maximum tomato. Bing. Huh. Okay. I don't know where this could be. But, I mean, I'm sure we'll find it. Like, how hard could it be, really? Do. This is such a big area, right? Like, I know I checked it out before. But, like, can I jump over this? Maybe I can? I can jump over... See? Look at that. Easy. Easy wins. Easy res. Easy kappa. Do I need to... Can I just... No. Okay. Well, you know. I did explore at the start, but apparently just not well enough. You know, there is just straight up a hole there. I probably should have nosed it at the beginning. Okay. I'll be back. Alrighty. Done and dusted. Thank God I'd explored this level so much. Otherwise, it probably would have taken me... Because, you know, I knew the maximum tomato couldn't be in any of the side areas. Because I explored them all quite a lot to find those stupid posters. So it's like, the only other place left was really the beginning. And thankfully, it was there. And I was suspect at the beginning of the stage. But, you know, I was like, okay. It's... I don't know. I'm just slowly getting used to the game breaking its own rules sort of thing. So, you know, normally it's like, oh, well, if you can't get over there, you can't get over there. But sometimes it's like you can't get over there, but actually, you can get over there. You picking up what I'm putting down? I'm just gonna do this. Yeah, cool. Easy, look at that. See, that's how you do it, bud. Over the top. Do a nice little pirouette. One of these. Oh yeah, I'm feeling like this one will get par. So yeah, don't need to worry about these guys. I just need to worry about that guy a little bit. Oh no, that's so much time loss. Whoop. Oh, beautiful pirouette. Right through the middle. It's fine. Right underneath. And then we just go for it. And pray to the boulder gods. Ooh, that boulder god was a little bit sussy. Over the top. In through the goal. And easy win. Target time 2 over. Again, who cares? I mean, I care a little bit. And that one I could definitely make if I just didn't get smushed by a boulder. But, is it worth it for the extra 50 coins? And it doesn't even mark it on the map? No, it's not. Not even a little bit. Not even at all. You're done. It's you. It's Kirby. Oh, I love Kirby. It's Kirby time. I miss Kirby's air ride. Now there's a good game. Turbo Dash. Just go for it. It's like, does it even matter? Do I want to avoid things? I mean, maybe it slows me down when I hit stuff, you know? You know what? That is 100% it. It slows you down when you hit stuff. So it wants you to avoid hitting stuff. Oh, that one. That jump's a little bit risky for my blood, I reckon. Ooh. And again, maybe I should just have shut up and dealt with it because I'm gonna lose now because I missed my jump. Oh, go. Go, Kirby, go. Oh, no, we're fine. Easy. Give me that medal. That's what I'm here for. And don't call me Shirley. I mean, we were only 7 seconds off. It definitely wasn't as fun as the little racetracks in the actual stages, though. But it definitely wasn't bad. It was not bad at all. And that is full clear. Minus, of course, King DDD. It's King DDD. Look at that photo. You think I don't recognize that little head pomp? That big hammer silhouette? Those evil eyes? Yeah, nah. It's DDD, 100%. I'm pretty sure if I look at it closely, I can even kind of see the stripes on his belly. But, you know, I could be wrong. And it's got King in the name. King DDD. Either way, we're not doing that next episode. We're going to go play the dumb mini game. So for now, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all then. Bye-bye.